keep my hand in the fire. Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my
Hello my beautiful ladies, welcome back to my channel and happy new year. This is my first video of 2025 and we are going to be very intentional this year, guys. In today's video, guys, we are going to be making some of my favorite juices that help me to maintain this body weight and to be healthy. Guys, I love this juice. I started juicing since 2024 and I found it amazing, guys. I'm in my 40s, guys, and I need something that is going to boost my energy, make me look beautiful, keep me strong and energetic. So these are one of my favorite juices that I do. I do juice twice in a month. I do a big batch of it and then I do drink them morning and evening. So without further ado, let's get into this video, guys. Juicing is very important. And before you start thinking of juicing this year, guys, I'll advise you to get one of these, a good juicer. I am using the Nama J juicer. And you can get any juicer of your choice that is going to give you the perfect consistency of the juice that you want. Because I don't like to juice and then I go and sieve. I like to just juice and get the pure juice from the vegetables and the fruits I will be using. So guys, without further ado, let me tell you what ingredients I have here. Here I have some celery, I have pineapples, I have carrots, oranges, I do have lemons here, ginger, some green apples, spinach, cucumber, and cabbage. These are the things that I will be using for this juicing. Why I love this particular fruits and vegetable is because, guys, celery is amazing. It's going to wash your system. I love it because it helps in digestion. It has 95% of water, but then it is very hydrating and it can help your digestion. Most of the things I have here are good for your heart health and your digestive health. Carrot is also good for your skin and for your eye. I'm not going to be telling you why I'm using them. Just go and Google them to see the benefits that this item has. As for me, I love them because it's going to help you lose weight, maintain that body, that flat tummy that you are always wanting, maintain your heart health, and it's going to maintain your digestive system. So that's the reason why I juice them. And again, I like juicing them because my daughter, she doesn't like vegetables, and I'm trying to incorporate vegetables into this juicing so that she can drink them and she'll still have the benefits of vegetables that she doesn't want to eat when you prepare them. So this is a great idea for moms who are struggling that their children should eat vegetables. You can juice them. So guys, this video I'll be showing some couple of things that I add into my own juice before I drink them. But for my children, they take it like this. For me, I do add some extra stuffs into my juicing and I'm going to show you later. So guys, without further ado, let's get into this juicing. So guys, I'll be starting with the celery. The combination I do with this celery, I call it my washing machine. I'm going to wash my system clean with this one. That's how I call it. This is my body washer. So I'm going to be juicing celery with the apple, with the green apples, with the spinach and the cucumber. I'll be adding some lemon in it and ginger. So this one is really like the powerhouse of it all. This is the powerhouse. So I'm going to juice this celery together with my apple, cucumber, spinach, add some lemon and some ginger. So this is what I'm having in this one. This is my powerhouse cleanser.
Like I could if you show me I spent so much time daydreaming, so now I don't know. Can see it, need my healing, more
So guys, just look at this. I don't need to go and strain it anymore. I don't like straining. Blending and then straining is a lot of work. With the Nama J mixer, juicer, you don't need to strain. It takes out all the chance for you and you have your pure juice. Guys, this video is not sponsored. It's not sponsored. I'm just saying what I used and why I choose this juicer. It gives me less work. If you are still watching up to this moment, you are a darling. I'm going to be juicing the red cabbage and the pineapple now. I'm also adding some lemon in this one, guys. So this one is lemon, pineapples, and the cabbage. So guys, I'm going to be doing the last juicing, which is made up of carrots and oranges.
Now just look at me, I'm a ghost with nothing left. Hollow, emptied out, what got lost can't be found. You stole every bit of me, now I can't remember. Ooh, who I am, what I like, what I do, what I'm like when without you. Should've known you're too good to be true. You don't come around here no more. Why'd you have to let me go? Let me go, go, go. You don't think about me no more. Why can't I just let it go? Let it go, go, go.
So guys, while you are watching this video, let me take this opportunity to thank you guys for coming back to watch my video, for clicking on my video. If you are a returning subscriber of mine, thank you for always coming back to support your girl. If you're new here, you're welcome to this family. Here we do a lot of beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and everything home. So guys, please do click on the like button, and do click on the notification bell so you always get amazing videos when we do upload them. Thank you guys and keep watching.
I really thought that I knew.
So guys, these are like the chaff from the fruits, and I'm not going to throw them. You can use this to do your fried rice or any other thing, guys. These are vegetables that are still very useful. We are not going to throw anything. This is 2025. We're going to make good use of everything we have. Okay guys, let me keep this aside and then I'll come and tell you what I include into my juice when it's necessary. So guys, we are done with the juicing. This is how I prep my juice for a week and for 2 weeks. So I do juicing twice a month, and this is how I prep them and keep them in the refrigerator for my kids and for myself. So as I was telling you guys, I have a couple of things I do add into my juice. These are 100% pure juice, no water added. So this is my washing machine. You know how a washing machine do clean your dresses? This is how this is going to work. It cleans my body, cleans my digestive system. It helps me lose weight. That's your gut. It cleans the gut perfectly. It contains our celery, our lemon, ginger, some spinach, and cucumber. This is amazing, guys. As I told you, for children who do not like to take vegetables, this is the best option you can bring to the table for them to make them have vegetables, but in a nice way. So the second one is the cabbage, the purple cabbage, and lemon with pineapples. This also helps you lose weight, guys. I cannot tell you a lot. Go and Google what are the benefits of all what you've seen here, and you will see they have amazing benefits. They are equally very good for you and your kids. For those who want to lose weight, for those who want to manage their heart health, their digestive health, it is amazing, amazing, amazing. For those who want to have a beautiful skin colors for the carrot and for your eyes, these are amazing, guys. It actually helps you lose weight. I get them on an empty stomach in the morning and then at night before I go to bed. It is amazing. So here I have some greens that I use. I include them into this. A tablespoon of moringa powder. This is pure moringa powder. It's not mixed. Pure moringa powder. I add it into my juice. I can choose to do moringa in the morning, and in the evening I can choose to do moringa in the morning, and in the evening I do kale. So moringa helps to build your muscles. It helps with your heart health. It helps to produce red blood cells. So I also add in my kale. Kale helps in cleaning the gut, and it helps in maintaining your body tissues. So that's why I do add them into my juices. This one is also a product I got from Happy Mammoth. This contains super greens, all the greens that you can imagine. It has probiotics and adaptogens. So this has probiotics and adaptogens in it, and it contains greens like vegetables. So I do add a spoon of this when I'm taking my juice to like the gym or whatever. So I do add this into my juice. Guys, here is collagen. I'm in my 40s, so collagen, we do produce less collagen, so I do include collagen into my juices. This is in the powder form, so I do include it in the juice before I take it to the gym. And when I'm going to the gym, I do put some of the juice, like a glass of juice and a glass of water, and then I go in with the collagen and some of the moringa or the kale. So this is what I include additionally into my juices. Guys, if you do this every morning on an empty stomach and at night before you go to bed, you will lose you are going to lose weight. You are going to lose weight for sure. It is very, very good. And so you can prep your juice like this once or twice in the month and put them in the freezer for consumption. And also, guys, get you a good juicer. I use Nama J. It's not sponsored, and anything that you see here is not sponsored. It's not sponsored. It's not sponsored. I'm just telling you what is making me have the good body I'm having. And in your 40s, what you have to be very intentional with what you eat and what you take in. So I've been juicing since 2024, and I'm not going to stop because I've seen the amazing benefits of juicing. So guys, remember, one thing I would like to tell you is that when you're going into juicing, you have to eat right. Be very intentional with what you take. I do go to the gym, but this is going to help you lose weight faster when you combine this with your workout. It's going to help you lose weight faster. And if you combine this with intermittent fasting, you are also going to lose weight very well. It's going to ease the losing of weight, especially those stubborn fat around your stomach that does not want to go away. It's going to help you. So guys, if you have enjoyed this video or you found it interesting and you want to be seeing videos like this, guys, do not leave without subscribing. Do not leave without subscribing and joining this family. And please, 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 please like my videos, because if you do like my videos, YouTube is going to notice that people love it and they're going to push it out there for many people, and we want our family to grow. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. And if you have anything to say to me or ask me, please go down to the comment section below. I'll be so happy to respond to you. Have a nice day and see you in my next video. Bye.
Keep my head